Hello and welcome. I would like to introduce you today to Matt Domo, the CEO at Fifth Vantage. Well, Matt, among other things, is also known for his recent publication in the USA Today as one of the top 9 exciting entrepreneurs in 2021. Of course, he attended our conference in June 2021, and in September 2021, he gets recognized as one of the top 9 exciting entrepreneurs. So, Matt, how are you today? How does it feel to be recognized twice?
Thank you. I'm doing well today, and I'm humbled and honored. It's quite the experience, and I'm happy for it. But again, it's humbling. It's
Mhm.
humbling.
I'm sure it must be an exciting journey for you, starting from entering just the industry and then getting recognized from time. It's an amazing journey if I look at it from the viewer's point. So adding to what I just introduced you to our audience with, would you like to tell them something more about your contributions, yourself? I mean, what have been your contributions to the industry at large?
Yeah, sure. So over time, I've been a senior technology executive at Microsoft. I was responsible for the first two releases of SQL Server Enterprise. I was also the architect of Microsoft's first software as a service product. After I left Microsoft, I went to Amazon and started the database division of Amazon Web Services and launched the world's first database as a service products. After that, I went to Rackspace and I was responsible for the engineering for the Rackspace cloud and launched the first public cloud based on open source OpenStack. So had impact there. Now I've transitioned. I started my own company called Fifth Vantage. We help B2B software companies translate all the business and technology complexity they're facing into clear technology strategic plans, help them architect to achieve those plans, and create execution strategies for them to create sustainable double-digit growth. We've had some good wins lately. One of the companies that we worked with, IronNet Cybersecurity, we worked with them to help them with everything I just said, their technology strategy, their architecture to utilize cloud technologies in AWS, and help them create their execution plans to launch SaaS products. Their valuation skyrocketed, and they just rang the bell as a public company a month ago. So it was great to make an impact, meet some new friends, and help them succeed. It was very rewarding.
Well, definitely. I'm sure people can understand how has your journey been so far and what exactly have you contributed to the global technology sector. I must ask, Matt, what prompted you to attend this recently concluded Internet Technology Conference of ours?
Yeah, well, one of the things that I found really valuable was the diversity of topics that were covered in the conference. Everything from blockchain to AI to cloud computing to e-commerce, and so just to immerse yourself in the various different topics that were presented at the conference. The other was an opportunity to network with other industry leaders. I met some great people. I spoke on a panel about cloud computing, and believe it or not, I've touched base monthly with every other participant on the panel, and met some people from other parts of the world in corollary businesses, and have been introducing them to people I know in my network. So just an all in all great experience, good content, good people, good business opportunities for both where I can help people and people can help me. So I would give it an A+.
Well, thank you so much for the lovely feedback, Matt. Just wanting to know, I mean, how has your experience been with the, how would you rate or summarize your experience with the in-person event, especially in the COVID times? I'm talking about the learning as well as knowledge sharing, aspect of the process. How was your experience with that?
Yeah, well, first from the safety perspective, everything was safe. I never felt unsafe or worried about COVID exposure. I thought the industry events were organized well. Like I said previously, the topics were well thought out and well presented. There were ample but not excessive networking opportunities and networking sessions, which I thought were productive. The other thing I thought was interesting is there were other conferences in like finance and healthcare And that was an industry like melting pot to meet people from other industries, going through similar topics and just learn. It was good.
All right. Thank you so much. Did you walk away with any kind of potential deals or contracts at the conference? Were you able to do that?
Yeah, like I walked away with several. Like I think I mentioned, I spoke on the cloud computing panel, and several of the people I actually participated in the panel with introduced me to their clients. And so that was an exciting and flattering honor to have that go forward. I met some other participants in the conference, not all of them in the United States, which is not my typical customer base. But we struck win-win relationships. They've introduced me to people in their market, and I've helped introduce people into my network here in the United States. So, and then I just met some great people. It's not just about business; it's about meeting great people. And so there's some folks that I've met that I just really enjoy, both their professional background, but just their personal communications and demeanor. And so I've stayed in touch with them as well. And again, it's all about karma, right? You help people, they'll help you. But it's also about meeting great people and building long lasting relationships.
All right, I can't agree more. This is how cross-industry networking happens. When you have plenty of audience from across the globe to look up to build connections with. I'm not saying that you were able to meet each and every individual, but the connections you managed to make, we always tend. Our aim behind organizing these events is just for you guys to build your network as strong as ever before. So we would love for you to keep growing. We would love to keep growing with you guys and having you with us again, and possibly possibly build a much stronger relationship, a business relationship that we guys have with you. So this is something, it's not about just coming to the conference once and then forgetting each other. No, we would love for you to be a part of our journey since you started up to the end. So this is how we look at it. Also, Matt, were you satisfied with the, how we as organizers handle the COVID-19 situation and the unfortunate postponement of the events? I'm sure you are aware that the event was postponed quite a few times. So how was your experience with that?
I thought the experience was, I think you all did as good as you possibly could do given the circumstance, right? We're in an unprecedented situation worldwide. We have no idea what the path of how this is going to meander through the world's population. We can't predict what all the different locales and government regulations are going to be. So, given everything going on, I think you guys handled it as best as you possibly could. The communication was clear. It was friendly. You gave enough advance notice for the next time it was going to be rescheduled so that people could adjust their travel plans and accommodations. So I would just say kudos to you all. Again, I keep repeating myself, but I think you've done as best as you possibly could given the circumstance. So no problems there at all.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words, Matt. How likely are you to, attend the other events that we are, soon to be organizing? And would you recommend our events to the upcoming and aspiring industry leaders and peers that you might be, in touch with?
Absolutely. I actually plan on attending Internet Conference 2.0 in the spring of 2022. Like I said, you meet some really great people. The topics, like I said, are diverse and engaging. It's good to network with other leaders. And again, you never know who you're going to meet that you could create a great long-lasting relationship with, both personally and professionally. So I would highly recommend it to people of all different levels of company, right? Whether you're a small company or a large company, diversity is good, and diversity of thought is even better. So I recommend the conference highly, and I'm excited to attend.
We are excited to having you again because you graced our event in such a manner that we actually this is the time for us to pat our backs finally, because we have received some great feedback from attendees like you are valuable and worthy award winners. So it was really a great experience having you, Matt, having to recognize you and getting the opportunity to meet you in the first place. Thank you so much for being at the event. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge. And we look forward to learning from you more and more. And we look forward to having you again.
Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate that sentiment. Thank you.